sometimes I duct tape all my windows just in case the burglars don't come in. My mom said I don't have to worry about the burglars, but I know I do. Sometimes I drip candle wax all over. My mom said that's bad too. And I said, no, bitch! Fucking wrong! Sometimes I lick the wall just to taste the paint. My psychiatrist told me that sometimes I got some mental problems. And I said, no, you are wrong, Mr. Parker. I said no. He reminds me of the Sesame Street bird, Big Bird. He's yellow like the sun.